on my channel. This is from Bob Wareham. Hello, Bob. He says, I must say it always amazes me that when I am looking at a Linux review channel, they reference their Windows machine. Well, because it's used worldwide. I don't know, Bob. I don't know what else to say, but I dual boot, except in one machine I have exclusively Linux Mint and my ThinkPad. But yeah, because everybody, well, not everybody, but a lot of the people in the world use Windows, and for them to feel comfortable, in my opinion, why I think this channel has lasted 8 years is I am still primarily a Windows user. Not as much, though, to be honest. But I try to make Windows users comfortable because I use both. And you can transition from Windows to Linux given enough time, if that answers your question. But it shouldn't amaze you, no. I mean, if 90% of the population uses Windows, how are you going to make them feel comfortable by saying, I get it, I use Windows, now try Linux? I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know how else to describe it. So, um,
Well, I think there's a bit of comparison that goes on there as well, isn't there? When you're, I suppose you've got to compare it because at the end of the day, you're showing people what the differences are, aren't you? So
mhm, right. Yeah. Sure, you want to make them feel comfortable saying this is
yeah,
what, if you really got to use a certain software in Linux, don't use Wine, or well, like in Windows, rather use Windows or in Linux or whatever. So, you know,
It's an easy
um,
it's an easy benchmark for everybody to be able to relate to.
probably, yeah.